Start by peeling and washing fresh onions thoroughly. Cut them into small pieces and blend into a smooth paste without adding water. Pour a good quality carrier oil into a pan. Add the onion paste and mix well so the paste and oil are fully combined. Place the pan on the stove and heat on very low flame. Let the mixture slowly simmer, not boil and not bubble. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even infusion. Continue heating until the oil changes to a deep golden brown color and the strong raw onion smell reduces. This slow process allows the sulfur compounds in onion to properly infuse into the oil. Turn off the heat and allow the oil to cool completely. Once cooled, strain using a fine mesh strainer or cloth to remove all residue. You should be left with a clear, smooth onion-infused oil with no visible onion pieces. Transfer the oil into a clean, dry glass bottle and store in a cool place. Uses of onion oil. This onion oil helps reduce hair fall, stimulate hair growth, improve scalp circulation, strengthen hair roots, add shine and thickness to hair. To use, massage the oil gently into the scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight, then wash with a mild shampoo. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Consistency is key. Regular use can visibly improve hair strength and growth over time.